Hello, Taurus. Ito na yung reading mo for August 6 to 12. Okay. Pero lahat naman ng readings ko po dito ay timeless kahit lumagpas po dun sa mga petsa na binanggit ko. So, alamin natin ano yung mga messages for you, mga possible na paparating. You have lighten your load, you have love, you also have beauty, you also have good luck. Wow. So you have wonderful set of oracle cards for this week, Taurus. Okay. Ay, wait lang, may mga nahulog. Oh, OMG. Ito na naman tayo eh. Pasensya na, hindi sinasadya. Sa sobrang dami kasi, 200 cards yata ito, yung bilog. So, mahirap siyang hawakan, actually. Masyadong maraming cards. Oo, yata. Alam ko nasa 200 something itong deck na ito. So, let's start with your reading. So, ayun na nga. Ang ganda. You have lightened your load. This means may paggaan. So, kung ano man itong mga dinadala mo, pasanin mo, kung nabibigatan ka man about something in your life, in your situation, meron something dito na pagre-release, meron ditong something na meron, mababawasan yung binibit-bit mong mabigat. May pagluwag, may paggaan. No? So, sabihin na natin na merong improvement kasi may paggaan eh. Okay? It could be you decluttering, releasing kung ano man itong mga burdens na to. Emotional burdens man yan. Okay? Or basta, there is something here na maglalighten yung load mo. And merong pag-open ng heart. Nung nakita ko tong card na to, yun yung na-feel ko. Meron something dito unfolding, something beautiful, something that feels good to your heart, no? It's unfolding eh. You are opening to something. It could be that you are opening your heart again na you are opening your heart again sa pag-ibig. Yes, there could be an indication ng cycle when it comes to romantic connection. Or it could be kahit hindi siya romantic eh, something na ibinubuksan mo yung puso mo uli. No, kumbaga something na wini-welcome mo sa buhay mo, but it is more on pag-ibig. Okay? You are developing something here na parang nagiging, alam mo yun, parang napapalapit na sa'yo, napapamahal na ito sa'yo, kung ano man itong bagay na to, situation, or kung tao man yan. Okay? And you have here beauty. You have love, you have beauty. Parang Venus, ano? Libra kasi ko eh. Libra Sun. Libra Sun, Libra Venus ako. Wow, there is beauty, there is love. I think that you are attracting love because you are glowing inside and out, Taurus, this week. People are drawn to your energy. Siguro certain people admire you, napapansin nila na you are glowing. No, napapansin nila siguro, uy, maganda pala si Taurus. Ngayon ko lang napansin, parang ganun. Merong something here that you are welcoming something, something powerful na alam mo yun, na napakasarap sa feeling, napakagaan sa kalooban. And at the same time, you are attracting, you are welcoming something na beautiful and ang sarap sa feeling. Yun yung nasisense ko dito sa kombinasyon ng dalawang cards mo. So, sabi ko nga, romantic connection man yan or not, no, nakaka-attract ka ng love and beauty, makaka-receive ka niyan. You are welcoming these two powerful and wonderful energies. What else? You have good luck. So, ayan, self-explanatory. Sabihin na natin itong August 6 to 12 will be favorable para sa iyo kasi nandyan yung magagandang bagay na mag-unfold para sa iyo, andyan yung perfect timing, nandyan yung siniswerte ka, umaayon sa iyo yung mga circumstances. Okay? So, when it comes to kabuhayan mo, financial career, okay, there could be an important call for you, Judgment card. Feeling ko lang, ipapatawag ka, or kung may application ka, Taurus, ito na yung sign na matatanggap ka dyan, may return call. It could be, ito na yung hinintay mong sign, ito na yung hinintay mong email or tawag from a company. Or it could be na merong something dito na ewan ko, all of a sudden parang meron kang something na dapat tugunan with the Judgment card. Okay, it could be a realization with the Judgment card also. This could also mean something na parang tinatawagan ka na mag-take action about the situation. Oo, basta ito ay alarm, wake-up call, something na panggulat, panggising para sa iyo, something na parang, meron something kasi with the Judgment card na marirevive or mabubuhay inside you. Like halimbawa, passion mo, dati mo na tong passion and then parang na alam mo yun, na set aside mo siya and now parang bumabalik ka uli doon and nabubuhayan ka na uli ng loob. Na-ignite uli yun. Parang something here na na-ignite uli yung passion mo to do this There's this certain urge or calling with the Judgment card na kailangan mo itong i-accept and do something about it, no? Take action. Okay, with the 9 of Wands, I think this is something related sa I just feel like wag ka masyadong kampante with the 9 of Wands here, especially when it comes to people and regarding money. It is an indication na huwag ka masyadong mag-set ka ng boundaries, and hindi ko sinabing maging paranoid ka or whatever, pero magano ka kailangan huwag mo ibaba yung mga defenses mo. Okay. Ayun. Huwag ka masyadong maging lenient, maluwag. Especially when handling money. And sabi ko nga, if you're dealing with a person or people regarding money na porke kakilala mo na sila ng matagal, alam mo yun, parang masyado kang matiwala. Yun lang naman, yung na-feel ko. And when it comes to family or home life, you have here Queen of Cups and Queen of... dalawang queens. Queens are nurturing energies. I think something related to motherhood. Or kung sino man yung ilaw ng tahanan dyan. Could be you, or asawa mo, or nanay mo. Okay. So, right now, ang feel ko dito, importante ang role ng nanay ngayon dito sa situation mo, Taurus. There could also be two opposing energies here. It could be dalawang babae, dalawang female energies, or dalawang mothers na pwedeng hindi sila magkasundo, living in the same house. Like magkaiba yung approach nila when it comes to matters regarding family or pagmamanage ng bahay. It could be magkaiba yung thoughts, yung feelings nila. It could be na nagkakaroon ng clash or, I don't know, misunderstanding, friction, or competition. Oops. Okay, so, it could be na, basta may dalawang energy ng babae dito or dalawang energy ng asawa or nanay na pwedeng nagkakaroon sila ng problem sa sa bahay, sa pamilya. And when it comes to love life mo, you have the 10 of Swords reversed, 3 of Pentacles. I think this is a card of rebuild. Excuse me, nadidigay ako. I think this is a card of rebuilding, Taurus. For me, this is an indication na maaaring hindi pa tapos ang lahat para sa inyo nitong person na to. Kung sino man yung energy na tinutukoy dito. Could be feelings mo, feelings ng person mo. This is giving this relationship another chance. Or kung nag-end na ito, it could mean na this person wants to rebuild kung ano man yung nag-end na relationship ninyo. Ayan gusto niya uling makikolaborate with you Gusto niya uling buuin. Gusto niya uling i-repair, i-rebuild yung connection ninyo, marriage, relationship, situation, connection ninyo. Pwedeng ang nangyari dito, nagkaroon ng third party situation, but this person, clear to me these two cards feels like gusto niyang bumalik para buuin uli yung samahan ninyo, yung relationship ninyo. Possible na nagkaroon ng third party situation dito. Okay. Tapos na yung betrayal, tapos na yung yung masakit na ending, pero parang gusto niya sana kung uubra pa na Baka pwedeng i-work out nyo pa uli yung connection ninyo. Okay? Mag-try kayo uli. Yun yung nafe-feel ko with this person. Pwedeng may air, may earth. Tapos si area naman nang hindi mo inaasahan this week. Yes, hindi mo inaasahan, pero this person will express yung kanyang emotions, feelings for you. This person may dala-dala siyang cup, may dala siyang offer sa'yo. O ito, pwedeng romantic or hindi. General reading to. May comeback eh. Para dun sa mga nag-end na eh. And sabi ko nga, it could be na ano ulito sa'yo. Magpapapansin. Magpapaka-romantic uli. Ililigawan ka, ipapursue ka uli. Susuyuin ka. O itong offer na to, pwedeng career offer. Pwedeng romantic offer wherein parang nakikipagbalikan, nakikipag-ayos uli siya. Okay. Proposal yan eh. O, makikipagkasundo uli sa'yo itong person na to. Gusto niya uli ng another contract with you. in career, in business, or in love life man yung no contract na sinasabi ko. Kasi ayan o, magte-take siya ng action eh. Ayan o. Makikipag-communicate siya, mag-i-express siya. Okay, so may pag-amin. May pakikipag-communicate. Okay, yung iba sa inyo dito, pwedeng hindi nyo ina-expect na, ewan ko, you will be fixated, obsessed, or busy about something. Kasi para ditong may something na kailangan mong, ewan ko, hindi mo ina-expect siguro na ma-enjoy mo tong bagay na to na gagawin mo or gagawin mo pa lang. And dito ka magfo-focus eh. Yun yung nakikita ko dito. Mag-i-invest ka ng time, ng energy mo, or ng money mo dito. It could be a new hobby, or it could be a new project for you. Creative project for you. Or something na pwede mong pagkaperahan. No? Trabaho, ganyan. Sideline. And sa area naman ng blessing or magandang matatanggap mo, good stuff, good news for you. You have the Three of Cups and the High Priestess. Okay. It could be na ano, pwedeng may mga mamimit ka dito. May mamimit kang bagong tao or mga tao. Pwedeng romantic to, pwedeng friendship or bagong connections when it comes to sa career mo. Oh. Nakikita ko new, parang mga bagong barkada, bagong mga makakasama, and itong mga tao na to, I think this will be very beneficial or exciting for you kasi parang ang daming, alam mo yun, parang may mga bago kang mamimit tapos parang mas dadami pa yung connections mo and parang mas magiging active ka, alam mo yun, may nakikita ko na maraming socializing dito. Okay? Oo. Siguro itong mga to, kung dati boring yung buhay mo, wala ka masyadong kasama. So, nakikita ko yung pagdating sa social life mo, mas active ka eh. Okay? Marami siguro mga lakad, ganyan, gala, socializing. Kung dati, hindi ka masyadong nakikihalubilo or nakikipag-usap, nakikita ko parang dami kang maaaring maging makakonect dito. And magbibigay ng excitement, ng fun sa boring na everyday life mo. Yun lang yung nafe-feel ko rito. Someone could be opening up to you. It could be, ito na yung hinihintay mo na confirmation, kasagutan, clarity about someone or a situation. Kasi ito yung bagay na noong una, parang namimisteryosohan ka, wala kang alam dun. parang magkakaroon ka na ng idea about this. Meron something na ma-unlock or madidiscover mo, malalaman mo na kung ano ba talaga yun. Okay? Ano pa ibang paparating sa'yo? You have gavel. O mga legal matters to come. Okay, it could be contracts, anything na may legal. What else? Oh, good news, 'di ba? Handa mo na yung tenga mo sa magandang balita na paparating sa iyo this week. Wow, ang daming coins. Ito yung harvest time ng mga pinaghirapan mo. Ito na yung rewards ng kasipagan mo. Aanihin mo na yan in the form of coins, which means money. Andito na yung magmamaterialize na. May abundance. Dito na yung bunga. Okay? O, baka sahod dyan, or could be, maraming coins eh. Or it could be malaking amount ng money paparating sa'yo. Marereceive mo. You will receive good karma also with the haystack. Ito na nga, rewards. Harvest time. Aanihin mo na yung mga karapat dapat na anihin mo dito. O, meron kang magandang bagay na marireceive dahil yun ay good karma for you. You will reap what you have sown. Yun nga yung sinasabi ko. So, andito na yung positive results na inaabangan mo. No? Yung mga bunga ng paghihirap mo. And, kuha pa tayo ng additional na mga payo for you gamit ang oracle card or additional closing messages for you, Taurus. O, huwag ka na daw mag-alala. Ibig lang sabihin yan, masosolve na siguro yung problema mo or kung ano man itong pinagwo-worry mo, mabibigyan na ng kaliwanagan niyang kasagutan. O, ask help from others. Okay, ang ibig lang sabihin nito, pag hindi mo kaya yung situation, maging humble ka na accept yung assistance ng iba, kung merong magtutulong sa'yo or ikaw mismo. Maging humble ka to ask for help, no? Kasi no man is an island, kahit gaano pa tayo kagaling. O within the next few weeks daw, tandaan mo na lang tong timing na to. Hindi ko alam kung tungkol saan yan. Pero, merong something na mangyayari or importante within the next few weeks. Kung naghihintay ka naman ng sign kung kailan, o ayan, baka may tanong ka sa isip mo, baka mga ilang weeks pa daw. Okay? Meron something dito this week na kailangan mong pag-isipan ng mabuti. Huwag kang, alam mo yun, bago mo tanggapin yan, bago mo gawin yan, i-reconsider mo muna lahat-lahat ng mga bagay-bagay. Okay, Taurus, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, follow. Pa-tap na rin yung bell icon, pa-comment na rin kung nagustuhan mo. Special shoutout sa lahat ng nag-avail ng membership subscription, pati na rin po yung mga nagpapadala ng Star Super Thanks, yung mga walang sawang nagsusubaybay, at hindi nag-i-skip ng ads natin. Thank you so much. Love you all. Take care. God bless and babush.